Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to set Adobe Acrobat as the default PDF reader in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click PDF file, click Open with, click Choose another app. Select Adobe Acrobat, click Always. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Default Apps. Type .pdf. Select Application. Select Adobe Acrobat, click Set Default. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.